Hi, my name's Debbie, and this is my little travel companion Pip. And I'm just wanting to introduce myself before we start the video. One of the reasons why I'm doing this is putting it out there that don't wait for the right time to do your travel. Get out and do it while you've got your health. I'm newly retired, had my van for about 12 months, and I'm just putting it out there. I've had too many friends that have passed away that didn't get to do their retirement and what they want to do. So I'm juggling caring for my mum on a part-time basis with my sister, and getting out and trying to enjoy my retirement at the same time.
Echuca was a roller event. We stayed at the NRMA Echuca Holiday Park. We spent the time catching up, having a few wines, exploring Echuca and going out for lunch.
The sun came up on a golden sky, with country music and the river rolling by, heading for Echuca where the paddle steamers roam along the mighty Murray, feeling right at home. The gum trees wave as we rolled along. The road was our rhythm, the river our song.
The Grampians, a great place to stay. We stayed at the Breeze Holiday Caravan Park in Halls Gap itself. The cicadas were very noisy and took 24 hours to get used to their noise. There were the large white cockatoos with a yellow crest there that were a little bit annoying and would pinch things off our table and eat them, like nuts and chips if we left them out. We had a lovely time exploring the Grampians with all the walking tracks and just witnessing the wildlife, the kangaroos and the emus that just wandered through the park at leisure. It was a great time.
Alexandra, they travel with it. Mykonos, look at it.
Yeah. Kangaroos at dusk and eagles overhead, stories of the mountains in every trail we tread. The stars came out like diamonds in the night. The Grampians glowing in the pale moonlight. We're rolling down the Murray, chasing dreams and sky, with a campervan and freedom, watching days go by. From the rivers to the mountains, wherever we may roam, Debbie and Pip together make every road our home.
Nug Nug, what a beautiful spot. Plenty of shade, water, power, and a little stream that went round the edge of the park. It's not far from Myrtleford, in a lovely little area. It was a roller event and we just socialised, played a few games. We had a competition with Finkster, which was quite fun, and I actually took the championship for 2026. And overall just a great time, relaxing. We had a movie night set up by one of the girls on the tennis courts for 3 nights, I think it was. A place I'd love to go back and visit anytime.
Is that nice and cool? Hey?
Between river and lake, the morning mist was rising as
Nagambie, a very pretty little place on the water. We stayed at the caravan park there. There was about 60 ladies with the rollers camped up there for the weekend. We decided to stay a few extra days, so that was good. We met for drinks at 5 o'clock each night in a big group and just had a lovely time all catching up.
So chilled out and relaxed when we go camping.
She settles in really well.
Song upon the breeze. Living country dreams among the gums and trees.
The evenings were so nice at Nagambie. The scenery, the bird life, oh, it was just beautiful.
Watching days go by from the Echuca to the mountains, through every town we've known, Debbie and Pip together, making every road their own. Yes, Debbie and Pip together, wherever they may roam in a little campervan. They found their traveling home.
At Nagambie we had quite a bit of rain before we left, being those few extra days we stopped for, and an ant's nest decided to relocate into my van, much to my disgust. I discovered it when I got home and I was horrified. It took some cleaning up before my next trip.
Hope you enjoy those visits to Echuca, the Grampians, Nug Nug and Nagambie. The ants were a very interesting thing for me to cope with. I had a 2-day turnaround to get my van cleaned up to go on to my next trip. So I now carry peppermint oil, so I don't have an ant problem, hopefully, in the future. And I believe that keeps mice away too. So bonus, but haven't had that situation as yet. But thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you to the 25 people that have watched my videos. Hopefully they get more interesting as I go. Thank you. Bye.